My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called PartiZAN32. PartiZAN32 is a ransomware targeting many Windows files today. My video, though, is strictly for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations that will help you to protect your files. So, these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware reveals this ransom note as a pop-up window, and it also says that your files have been encrypted by PartiZAN32. The ransomware also appends a special extension. I assume this is some long and random extension. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. Instead, I recommend you to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose, but to download Combo Cleaner, the point is that you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could be also damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the software and start researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. After you click on the start scan button, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. So this is very essential for proper detection of malware, and don't skip this very important step. So this is the end of the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As you see, the software gives you the full report about all the threads that were found on the computer, and Combo Cleaner effectively detected this particular ransomware. To remove the ransomware, you can upgrade to Premium, and you can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Let me also tell you that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data from all further ransomware attacks. So, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.